The egg tofu is cut into rings, fried until crispy, and simmered in a glossy sweet and sour sauce. All you need is 20 minutes.
This is definitely a type of food that will make me happy. I hope you and your family will be happy eating it as well.
This is egg tofu. It's made with eggs, water, and salt. It's available in most Asian supermarkets in the tofu sections. You can also replace it with other types of tofu. Cut the egg tofu into about half-inch rings. Dip each piece of egg tofu in the cornstarch. Do the same with the rest. In a pan over high heat, pour the oil inside. 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the egg tofu inside. Fry until crispy for about 3 minutes. Remove and drain the oil. In a small pot over medium heat, add the water, ketchup, rice vinegar, sugar, salt, red bell peppers, and green bell peppers. Whisk and bring it to a simmer. Then add the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until it is thickened. In a pan over medium heat, place the tofu inside and pour the sauce inside. Garnish with scallions and let it sizzle for a few minutes. There are many ups and downs in our lives, and oftentimes we're distracted by stress or anger. I'm a huge believer that happiness comes from the inside, and it's a choice that anyone can make. If you had a bad day, let's try to relax a little and make some sweet and sour tofu. I'm sure that tomorrow will be a much better day. Happy cooking and enjoy!
The sweet and sour sauce pairs perfectly with the tofu and is so delicious. It makes me so happy. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode. Also, if you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!